Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for jobs on Indeed using your mobile. If you'd like to follow along into Mill, turn on auto-generated captions for a translated experience. Let's begin. First, open the Indeed app on your mobile. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's open, log into your account using your email and password. On the home screen, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in the job title or keywords you're looking for in the first field, and in the second field, enter your desired location. Then, tap the search icon. You'll see a list of jobs matching your criteria. Scroll through and tap on a job title to view the full details, including the job description, qualifications, and application process. If you want to apply, look for the Apply Now or Easy Apply button at the bottom of the job description. Tap it and you'll either be prompted to upload your resume or confirm the one already saved in your account. Follow the steps provided, such as answering application questions or attaching additional files if required. Once you're done, tap Submit Application. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know your application was sent successfully. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!